You may have worn fake lipstick your whole life, but today you'll see real lipstick made from silkworms. First, we take fresh rose flowers. We separate their petals and put them in a bowl. Then we fill the bowl with water and clean them by rubbing them gently with our hands. Then these petals are removed from the water, squeezed and placed in a dry basket. They are now left to dry in the sun for about 3 to 4 hours. When they are dry, they are put in a stone mortar and ground finely, then sieved, and the powder is kept aside. Now we will put this powder in a sieve and sift it well so that all the powder is clean. Then put the sifted powder in a bowl. Now we take silkworms. They are also put in a stone mill and finely ground. They are also made into a pure powder and kept in a bowl. Now first, silkworm powder is poured into a glass kettle and then it is placed on the fire and stirred. After this, 3 lemons are taken. They are cut in half and squeezed into this water. After mixing well, it is boiled for a while. Then, the clear red water is separated by filtering it through a white cloth. Now, a little baking soda is added to this water. The bowl is covered and kept for 2 to 3 hours. When the mixture thickens, it is filtered again, and the paste remaining at the bottom is collected in a separate bowl. This paste is our natural color base. Now this paste is taken out of the cloth with the help of a spoon and it is put in a bowl placed below. Then after taking out the paste, the bowl is kept in the sun and it is left for 24 hours. After 24 hours, this paste becomes completely dry. Now a glass kettle is placed on the clay stove. First, almond oil is poured into it. Then beeswax is added to it. Now all these things are allowed to melt on low heat on the fire. After this, a spoonful of desi butter, royal butter, is poured. And then vitamin E oil is added to it. When the mixture is hot, red color paste made from silkworms is added to it. A little rose leaf powder is also added to it. Then it is stirred with a spoon so that all the ingredients are absorbed into each other. Now this hot mixture is carefully poured into small molds where the lipstick will set. They are allowed to cool for 2 to 3 hours. When completely set, the lipstick is finished in a beautiful natural red color. It is then fitted into a lipstick case. So this is the natural silk lipstick, which is not only natural, but also completely chemical-free. We can't sell you this lipstick, but you can definitely help us so that we can launch our brand soon. Just go to our channel bio. There you will find our book link. Make sure to purchase it so that we can make this brand a reality. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that the next natural video reaches you first.